Welcome back, you lovely bunch. Thanks for tuning again. I hope you're all doing good. Right, it seems like my vlog has actually turned into a food vlog. Like my last few vlogs, I've either spoke constantly about food or actually gone for food. So today's a bit of a classic Dave ride. It's been a while since we went on a gravel shred. It's been a while since we ate loads of bad food. Well, that's actually not been that long. But I want to do it. You guys miss Greg's. I miss Greg's. We'll probably go to Greg's. Bit of a longer ride today, but I did do stretches beforehand. I'm nicely fueled. And actually, before I start this ride, I did tell Juliet I'd give her a hand filming some bits. So she's doing a vlog actually up the gravel climb. So I'm gonna go and eat my healthy breakfast, and I was nice, I bought her a coffee. So I guess let's just crack on, go meet Juliet, do some filming, then go for a shred.
Hello.
So like me going to do a vlog, it's turned into me filming Juliet's vlog, right? So I might as well do Juliet's vlog for her. So, morning! Today, you don't actually sound like that, sorry. It's like,
Always a pleasure to see you.
that's it. Who's more bubbly, me or Juliet? Take a vote, make a vote. What do you think?
Oh, me, obviously.
Me or Juliet? Okay. Remember, we both edit stuff to make ourselves look really nice. I'm just better at editing, obviously. Yeah, Juliet's going to ride, actually, all of her bikes. Well, not all of them. That'd be insane. But Juliet's going to ride a road bike, a gravel bike, and a mountain bike, like a cross-country bike, up this gravel climb. She's going to see which one's fastest. I reckon it'll be the road bike. What do you guys reckon? Anyway, we're going to help her do some filming and throw loads of words of encouragement at her. No trolling, none at all. And then we're going to go for a ride, because it's all really nice, actually, up there. It's all gravelly and cool. So this climb, I do in fact have the king of the mountain, and I did that on my road bike, and it's pretty gravelly. I mean, being a gravel climb, it's quite hard packed, so it's like concrete with like loose gravel, so you can actually pin it pretty fast. So I chucked a set of 30mm tyres on, pinned it up here, and I did try and do it on my gravel bike, and I was significantly faster on my road bike. So I actually think Juliet would be faster on her road bike up this climb. That's my prediction. Anyway, let's get this finished. She's like taking forever. There are blackberries here though. We could eat some blackberries whilst we wait for Juliet to ride back down the hill. I'm basically Bear Grylls. Welcome to Foraging for Food with Dave. Today we're going to eat some unripe blackberries because I didn't buy enough food from McDonald's. Hopefully she'll hurry up. We can actually go for a bike ride. I do have to go and get my kid in 5 hours. I don't know why I looked at my hand then as if, like, yeah, 5 hours. How long could it take to ride down a hill? Currently having a rant, stand on a gravel climb in the middle of nowhere. Right, well that's fun. Oh, blackberry. I'll become a foraging expert. Basically a bird's foraging experts. Some of the things I come out with. Anyway, let's go shout abuse at Juliet because she's taking too long. All right, hurry up. It's now 3:30. I've been here for 15 years. I think I've gone grey, or more grey, since I actually arrived. No, Juliet actually just did it on a mountain bike and then she messed it up because the power meter, well, she didn't mess it up, her power meter messed up, which technically is her fault anyway. Gravel bike left, and then we're free, guys. We're allowed to go and do a gravel ride. Oh, here she comes. Right, gonna do some work, filming work, hard work, stressful work. All done?
Cheers, Dave.
So yeah, feel free to go watch Juliet's video to find out the verdict of which bike was faster. See if I was right, see if you guys were right. I'll put a link actually down below to Juliet's vlog.
Thanks, Dave. Adios, senorita.
Ta-ra! What?
I've done a grand total of 17 minutes riding. It's like, yeah, become a cycling YouTuber. You get to ride all the time.
Yeah, some have actually riding our vlogs. Do you know what I mean? I think we should go up the hill again and then go and get some more food. I'm hungry. It's like lunchtime now. Right, let's go. Bye, bye, bye. Do you think it's time for some lunch? Probably time for some lunch. Maybe just a quick Greg's. A little fly through, grab a pasty or a sausage roll, and then we can crack on with more gravel. Not giving you a sausage roll review because they're just blooming lovely, but I will point out that this sausage roll is actually less greasy than the cake I ate the other day. Look. My spectacular diet today has consisted of a McDonald's and a Greg's. I mean, honestly, I had porridge for breakfast. Well, I say I had porridge. If I show you my like living room table when I get home, there's probably a bowl of porridge still on it. Can you hear this? So this E13 cassette really clicks. I'm pretty sure it's this clicking. Like, it doesn't affect anything, it's just really annoying and noisy. My issue is I love the 9 to 44 tooth like sprocket range, and if I change it, I've only got a 10 to a 42, so I might have to lose my wide gear range in favour of a non-clicking drivetrain. I think I've missed a spacer or a cog, because I don't think it's meant to do that. Let's try again. I think it's working. Now the test is to go outside and see if it actually continues to creak. What a faff today has been. At least I've got some riding done, and essentially I'm just going to ride all afternoon, so it's not too bad. But yeah, fingers crossed this doesn't creak anymore. After 30 minutes of faffing around with different cassettes, I just jumped on my bike. And can you guess what's just happened? It's blooming creaking again. It's just creaking. On the plus side, I do really like that E13 cassette, so I'm kind of pleased it's not the cassette, but then I'm also kind of bummed because I don't know what's creaking now. I think it might be my bottom bracket. I'm just going to ignore it for now and enjoy this ride. So the clicking, this damn clicking, I'm not actually sure what it is, but I do need to do a full like overhaul deep clean of my bike anyways. So I guess whilst I'm doing that, I'll actually change the bottom bracket because, well, I mean, I've got a feeling it might be that. Stay tuned for a video where I will take this bike apart, do a full overhaul, like, I guess we're gonna do like headset, bottom bracket, and then give it a full deep clean. And if that doesn't get rid of the creak, well, I guess I'll just have to ask Marin for a new bike. You know, like when you're riding, you don't realise the time. Like, I've been paying no attention to the time or where I am, and I realised that in 30 minutes I have to go and pick my daughter up from the childminder, and I'm about 35 minutes away. So I guess I should stop talking, have a little pin, and then go get her. How dirty my fingers are. Right, I'm actually 4 minutes early, so I've got time for an outro, and I'm not going to be late to pick up my daughter. Oh, it's one of those days, right, where I feel like I've not really done anything, but I've actually done quite a lot. Morning, like helping Juliet, gravel ride, bike fixing, and then another gravel ride, and lots of nice food. I mean, nice for me. I mean, if you're a vegetarian or like mad healthy, you're probably not going to think that Greg's and a McDonald's is nice. But I thought it was nice. I say fixing my bike as well. I didn't fix it at all, did I? It just creaks like mad, and it's actually really annoying. There's nothing more annoying than a creaky bike. Well, there's quite a few things that are more annoying than a creaky bike, but when you're riding the bike, one of the most annoying things is if it creaks. Let me know down below, do you want me to do a vlog on that? Like a full deep clean, like, I mean, not just like make it wet and wipe the dirt off. I mean, like take everything apart, like headset out, bottom bracket out, everything. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you all soon. Bye.